Welcome back, guys. I hope all of you will be fine. So this is question 2.14 of the electric circuits by Nilsson, and the statement of this question is the terminal voltage and terminal currents were measured on the device shown in figure 2.14 as given here. Okay, so this is the figure 2.14. The value of V and I are given in the table of figure P2.14b. So this is a table for each of the current and amperes. The applied voltage V in kV is also given here. Okay, so you can see that in all of these type of circuits, this one is the independent variable, while this one, the current, is the dependent variable. Okay, use the values in the table to construct a circuit model for the device consisting of a single resistor from appendix H. Okay, so this is basically a circuit. This voltage has been applied. This is the device, and if we can draw it precisely, it is this resistor. Okay, the value of current is applied by applying the value of voltage, which is here. Okay, so this is the voltage. When applied, the current flows here. Okay, so in this table we can see that when the values of the voltage is applied, the current also is measured, and from it we can see that the graph of it will be like this, and it will be the ramp shape. Okay, and the slope of it will remain the same, which is the inverse of the resistor. Okay, from it we can very clearly see that according to the Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. Okay, and also the value of R here is V by I. Okay, let me put all these values here. So putting each one of this row here, we can see that V is minus 7.2 into 10 to the power 3 divided by minus 6. This is equal to minus 3.6 into 10 to the power 3 divided by minus 3. Okay, this is also equal to the 3.6 into 10 to the power 3 divided by 3. This is the current for this one, and 7.2. Why am I writing this 10 to the power 3? Because of this kilovolt. Okay, divided by 6, and this is also equal to the 10.8 into 10 to the power 3 divided by 9. Okay, pick any one of them and you will see the answer of it. Let me take this one, and it is what? It is 3.6 into 10 to the power 3 divided by 3, which is also 3600 divided by 3. Okay, which is what? Which is basically 1200 ohm or 1.2 kilo ohm. Okay, so that is what? That is basically the solution of this question, where the value of this resistor is 1.2 kilo ohm. Okay, so that's it for today, in which we have seen the solution of question 2.14. In our upcoming video, we will try to solve the questions which are relevant with this question, and we will try to solve the similar question in a single video. Till then, take care of yourself, and I will see you in our upcoming video. See you soon.